What should you do when you hear an emergency siren? Sirens are activated in Midland County for 3 reasons: testing, tornado warnings, and chemical releases. Siren tests occur on the first Saturday of every month at 12:45 p.m. When you hear a siren that is not during test times, follow these steps to keep safe. 1. Get inside immediately. 2. Get informed as to what the emergency is. Call 1-888-TELL-MORE or watch MGTV Cable Channel 96 for up-to-date information. Do not call 911 unless you have an actual emergency. 3. Take action. For a tornado, get to the basement or innermost windowless room like a bathroom or closet. Protect yourself from flying debris any way you can. During a chemical release, close up all windows and doors. Turn off furnaces, fans, and air conditioners, and cover gaps around doors and windows with wet towels or with plastic sheeting and tape. As for any emergency, have an emergency preparedness kit containing battery-powered flashlights and radio, non-perishable food and water, first aid kit, and extra blankets. Remember, taking sirens seriously and acting quickly can mean the difference between life and death. For more information, visit www.midland-mi.org and click the Emergency Information link on the left side of the home page.